So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download FL Studio 21 in your Mac OS. So let's get started. This video would be a step-by-step guide, and I will tell you everything, how to do it, how to install and how to use it. So make sure to stick at till the end. First, open any web browser you like and type download FL Studio 21. Once you do this, just click on download FL Studio, and then here, and once you're here, just click on Windows download. It is the same for Mac, so don't worry, you don't have to worry about this. Just click on this and it will ask you where to download. Just save the directory and it will start download right away. Once this done, just run this setup and install it in your Mac OS or Windows, whatever you're using, and the application would be sent to desktop like this, and it will be ready to use. Just right click on it and click on run as administrator, and then you will be able to use it. Now if you want another video about how to use that, make sure to subscribe, so we will bring a next video about it. So yes, if this is it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.